Now we are going to have an example for word problem. If I had this juice, okay, let's see how much is written for this. 1.5 liter, okay, so this is 1.5 liter. While I was drinking, because I was so thirsty this day, I realized that I only have left this amount. Okay, I measured this amount by using a measuring cup, and then I found that I have left this amount is 135 milliliters. Can you see here something? This is milliliter, and at the beginning I had 1.5 liter, right? As we saw, 1.5 liter. I don't know, is it clear or not? 1.5 liter, okay? But as you can see here, there is difference between liter and milliliters. How can I change one of them? I want to change the milliliters. So how can I do this? The 1 liter equals 1000 milliliters. So to change this into liter, I will divide by 1000 to find this equals how many of the liter. So let's see. If I divided this by 1000, what's going to happen? I have 3 zeros, so I'm going to have the decimal point, and then I have 3 places starting from the right side, 5, 3, 1, and here I have nothing, so I'm going to put 0. So this is going to be 135 thousandths. 135, okay? So now I have this, both of them are liters. So at the beginning I had 1.5 liter, and I have left 0.135 liter. So how much did I drink? How can I find this? As we said before, that at the beginning I had the big number, which was 1.5. And then what's left is a small number, which is 0.135 thousandths. So I'm going to do what? Remember, as I have the big, I'm going to subtract. And then I will get another small, which is the amount I already drink now. Now, let's see. How can I find this? I prefer to put it vertical. So here, 1.5. And then the next one, we put 1, 3, 5. And here, 0. And here, zeros. And again, put the minus. And then 0, 0. So I'm going to go to the 5. It will be 4. This will be 10. And then I'll take 1. It will be 9. And the 1 comes here is 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. And 9 minus 3 is 6. 4 minus 1 is 3. 1 minus 0 is 1. Okay, so this is the amount I had already finished now. Okay, this is 1.365 liters. Remember, I changed everything into liters. So now, as you can see, this was the biggest, and then I have small one, and here I have small one. Okay, if I changed the places, let's see. So, if I say that I had 1.5 liters, but I drank 1.365 liters, so I'm going to do what here, the big, and this is another small, so I'm going to subtract also. 1.365 5 equals 0.135. I'm going to change. Of course, I can do this operation, but I'm just giving an example for this. So here I started with the big also, so I got to subtract to find the other small number which is missing here. Okay, now if I had another way to say this, that I drank 1.365 liters, and I have left, what's left here is 0.135 liters. So how much did I have at the beginning? Let's see, how can I get this? This is small and this is small. So what to do here? I'm going to add to get the number, which is 1.5 liters. Okay, so this is the big. Now hope you understand this and hope what is the difference between all these three types, because they have the same three numbers, but I'm changing the places of the numbers for the operations, and I'm changing the operations. Sometimes I subtract, sometimes I add. It's according to what I need to find. And it's easy to find when I know if I have the big and what else. I have the big or the small. I have one big and one small. I have two small. And this is what makes it easier. When I start with a big number, so I subtract one of the smalls to get the other small. And here, this is the other small to get the other small. And if I have two smalls at the beginning, so I'm going to add to get the big. So hope you understand this exercise or example. And now I will go to drink my juice.